Hi, I'm Tim, and you are watching GameDev Bits. As usual, here's a huge thanks to our patrons, without who none of this would be possible. So today's short, sharp video, what we're going to do is have a quick chat and dive into some stuff we can do to talk about character variety. Now, if you're someone who's using a lot of asset packs, there's nothing wrong with that. Not everyone can be a great artist. I use asset packs to fill in the skills that I don't have. But one thing that really stands out a lot of the time when you're using these packs is that all of your characters will look absolutely identical. So let's look at a few quick ways that you can add in some scale and variety and, spice things up a little bit. So what we've got here is we've got our space soldier wearing a helmet. This is from the POLYGON Sci-Fi Space Pack from Synty Studios. So we'll just take this person here, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a clone. Here we go. We got a copy. Great. Let's go back and select the first guy again. And what we want to do is we want to set his scale to, let's go 1.2. 1.2 on every axis. He's a little bit bigger. Here we go. We got 20% more size from that guy compared to this guy. That's great. All right, let's grab this guy again. All right, so this one, let's make another copy to put to the side. All right, so let's grab this guy. What we want to do this time is we want to expand down our hierarchy. Let us just close this Pro Builder window. Terrific. All right, so what we're going to do is we want to select the root bone. We want to dig in. We're going to go spine, spine, spine. Spine 3 is right on our shoulders. So let's select that. We're going to scale, and we're going to scale just a little bit wider. There we go. Give him a little bit of space at the shoulders. Then we're going to select spine 2, spine 1, and spine 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to scale those a little bit vertically. There we go. And then after that, we're going to scale spine 3 just to bring that back in. Here we go. There's a little bit of variety now between these two guys. And then let's go spine 1, go. There we go. There's a little bit of variety in there. Great. All right, so now we've got this slightly larger guy. We've got this guy here, and then we've got the standard one. So let us have a look, put them all in action. Go back to the scene view. And now we've got 3 guys walking down the hall, and they all look a little bit different. There's just a little bit of variety between them. Help to spice things up. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video.